Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing and swatch video. Today we are unboxing the HIMI 24 watercolor kit. It is a vibrant collection perfect for beginners and professional artists. This kit comes in a sturdy, compact box with a sleek design that's easy to carry and store. Inside the box, you'll find 24 half pans neatly arranged. This set also comes with 6 watercolor papers. I'm just activating these colors by diluting them with a few drops of water. So let's swatch these colors and see their magic unfold. We started off with the pure white and currently looking at different shades of yellow. These watercolors are so richly pigmented, offering vibrant, long-lasting colors that are perfect for various techniques. This ponceau is a very unique color. These watercolors can be used right from delicate washes to bold, opaque strokes. The consistency of these paints are so smooth and creamy. This makes them so easy to be activated with water, and they are so ideal for blending. Right now we are taking a look at the different shades of blue. We're looking at ultramarine blue, and we just took a look at the Prussian blue. Moving on to the huge range of greens. So whether you're going to create detailed illustrations or dreamy landscape, these paints would definitely deliver exceptional results. We're almost coming to the end of swatches, where we're looking at the different shades of brown. This kit is versatile, catering to a range of styles and surfaces, including watercolor paper, mixed media sheets, and even canvas for experimental projects. It's a must for anyone looking to explore the joy of watercolor painting. So you're currently looking at the swatching of all the 24 colors. Hope you enjoyed watching these colorful swatches. So stay tuned for more unboxing and swatch videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.